This presentation is about capitalizing geographic names. These would be called proper nouns, but for this one, it's very specific. We're going to talk about geographic names, that's names of locations. So I'm going to read quickly, and we won't read every single bit of this, but a noun that is capitalized is called a proper noun. So, for example, North America, they're both capitalized. North is part of the title, part of its name, I should say. So A for America is capitalized, and I see children, they don't remember this part, North America. So sometimes a name or of a place or any geographic location, a river, a city, it might have two parts, and you have to think of that. United States of America, that's a good example. We've got U, S, and A, and that's where we also get the abbreviation USA, and that's our country. But when you just talk about your country, it's little c, but if you say its name, it's capital U, capital S, capital A. We capitalize the names of all of these places: continents, countries, islands, regions, counties, cities, towns, streets, buildings. If it's a proper name of a building, just saying building wouldn't be capitalized, but if you said the Sears building, if it had an adjective in front of it, the Sears building, that would be capitalized. Colleges, UCLA, every college would be capitalized. Parks, airports, bodies of water. If you just say the ocean, not capitalized, but if you say the Pacific Ocean, that's capitalized. And here's some examples. Just saying continent, no capital, but saying North America, yes. And don't forget the North. Some names would have South here, but North America would both be capitalized. Capitalize only proper nouns and proper adjectives in names of regions, counties, cities, and towns. So I already said some of this, but just notice that there are two parts, middle and east. And way back in the beginning, let me click back up there. We do not capitalize, I thought it was up here, the little articles, the and of. Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself, but notice the is not capitalized, or of, but these parts are: lake, woods, county. Capitalize only proper nouns and proper adjectives in names of streets. So I mentioned this, Henderson Avenue. A lot of people forget this. A name here, and then maybe it says street or avenue or expressway. They forget to capitalize that part, but it's all part of the name. Capitalize only proper nouns and proper adjectives in names of buildings, colleges, and parks. We said that. Airports, LAX would be capitalized. Los Angeles Airport Internet. I've got the wrong name, but LAX is an airport and they capitalize it. Giza Pyramid and the Great Sphinx. These are monuments. Great is also capitalized with the name Sphinx. Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Notice of and the are not capitalized. And the are not capitalized. Capitalize names of bodies of water. Atlantic Ocean, that's on the other side of America. We live near the Pacific Ocean, but ocean is capitalized as well as the name. Capitalize names of landforms and biomes. So these are special names. This is a forest, but the name of the specific forest in a specific place, they're both capitalized, the name and then also the word forest. Grand Canyon, it is a canyon, but in the title, you would capitalize both. If the place is written correctly, put your thumbs up. This is a little practice. So, let's practice the Wabash River. So what do I notice? The is not capitalized in Wabash River. Did you say thumbs up? Try to beat me before I click on the next slide. College of William and Mary. They said college names were capitalized. But did you notice of and were capitalized here, and those stay lowercase. Of and stay lowercase. So that one was a thumbs down. My church, is that correct? If you're just talking about your church, not a name, nothing specific, yes, thumbs up. Columbia Avenue. Remember what we said about both words being capitalized? Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs down because of avenue right there. That should be capitalized. The mountain. Which mountain? Is that specific? Could be any mountain in the whole world, so that would be thumbs down. South America. We had that in some of the samples. Remember, they called this a proper adjective. Which America? South America. What do you guys think? Thumbs down? The Washington Monument. Remember what we said about both parts of the name being capitalized. What do you guys see what I see? This is correct. That doesn't get a capital, but Washington and monument should both have a capital, so that's a thumbs down. South Sandwich Islands. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, that island should be capitalized? It's correct. Niagara Falls. What do you guys think? You do it before I click the video. If you said thumbs down, you were correct because falls right here should be capital. Land Between the Lakes National Forest. Land Between the Lakes. That's a funny name, but I think that's the whole name. Which national forest? Really, I could say right here is the noun. Which forest? The national forest. Which one? Because there's a lot of national forests. Land Between the Lakes National Forest. Everything has a capital except the. It looks right to me. Did you say thumbs up? John Wayne Airport. That's near us, boys and girls. You either go to LAX or John Wayne Airport. Is airport part of the name? It is, so we would say thumbs down. Airport should be capital. The Eiffel Tower. Should tower be capitalized? It should, so that was a thumbs down. And that's it, boys and girls. Good job practicing geographic names. Do your homework in the bright yellow video clip. It's on the brochure with the spelling words. Number your paper. I can't remember how many numbers there. I think it's 7 or 8. And just write down the correct geographic names and send a picture to your teacher.